Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and never miss an update from latest Glee.
Hi guys, you're watching latestly.com and I'm Rajat Tripathi. I'm going to be talking to the cast of Junglee, the upcoming action-based movie. We are here with Vidyut Jamwal, Asha Bhatt and Pooja Sawant.
Hello.
Hi guys, thank you so much for talking to us.
Most welcome.
So first of all, was it difficult to shoot for this movie because you have been shooting in the jungles with animals, and I think what was the most difficult part to shoot this movie?
Difficulty so definitely नहीं थी because we were very well prepared. और हमारे जो director है Chuck Russell.
How were you very well prepared? Please tell
हमने
me.
cold readings किए थे.
इन्होंने cold reading किए जो
इन्होंने
किसी और
नहीं,
picture में
सबने-
नहीं होते.
Okay, what is cold readings? Sorry.
It's like workshop kind of thing. So Chuck sir used to take a workshop and we used to do the scenes together and everything. So yeah,
You just get a skeletal structure to the
Okay.
scene. You do readings with your co-stars and everyone, with your script in the hand. You don't have to memorize it, so that's a cold reading.
Okay.
Oh, दिया जवाब.
I'll ask you something later.
Ajit, how was it for you? You know, you're running in between elephants. I think that's a CGI snake. I'm not sure.
I beg your pardon.
There's a CGI snake, I guess, or that's a real snake in the
तुम पहले
trailer.
तो Google पढ़ना बंद कर दो. आंखें ध्यान से देखो कि CGI की नहीं. तुम्हें आइडिया नहीं है पार्टनर. सब रियल है.
That's a
Vidya
real
Jamal
snake.
doesn't do anything that is fake. Number one. Let's start with that.
Yeah.
Okay, so how was shooting with these animals?
Obviously very nice.
But nice.
बहुत very nice.
Okay.
They understand your vibe, like of course.
It was great fun by the way. So animals यार बहुत मजे आते हैं. कोई भी animal हो. Human being भी animal है. बहुत मजे आते हैं उनके साथ. But running was one of the amazing parts because first of all I beat them in the race. हाथियों को हराया, शर्म भी नहीं आती. और किसी को हराते हैं. चीते को हराते हैं. हिरन को हराते हैं. हाथियों को हराया.
No, but that was a difficult scene. जब मैंने भी देखा, I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, it's not an easy thing to
It is
run.
definitely not an easy thing, and I think Vidyut ही कर सकता है ये.
That is a very beautiful shot, I must say. Very
And
beautiful.
it is not CG.
You know, that-
Junglee has no CG.
I'm just asking about that one
Everything you watch in the movie is real.
Okay.
All the animals are real.
No
Stop the
Last
topic
time
here.
we watched something like this was 40 years back. And I have a very strong intuition. I don't think we will have a movie which will have real animals for a very long time.
Absolutely.
True. I agree.
We are so blessed. Really, we are very blessed to be working with. Yeah, we had 10 to 15 elephants all the time on the set.
Yeah, that is why I asked this question, because these days movies so heavily rely on CGI, but Junglee is one of the rare movies where the real animals have been used, which is how it should be in my opinion.
Yeah, that was like a very normal day on the set for us. Like you and the elephants and the entire team, you're shooting, coexisting.
मैं तो रात को घर ही नहीं जाता था. मैं तो हाथी के ऊपर सो जाता था.
Okay, you had to go through special training, like I've been reading about it, that there was some animal form of training. I don't know exactly what it is, but can you tell us something about it?
So I've not gone through the training for this movie specifically. Kalari Pait, the Indian martial art, has a section where you move like every other animal. Okay. You imbibe the goodness of it, you imbibe the strength of it, and animal flow has been prevalent for more than 2000 years. I'm just lucky to be able to display it in a movie. I could be one of the first actors in the world to display it on cinema. So yes.
Okay, we are so ignorant that we do not know about these things that are a part of our culture. It's so glad that you're bringing it to the screen. Thank you so much for that. Okay, did you guys also have to go through some training? Like, do you guys also have actions-based?
I did, because I'm playing female Mahawat in the film, and when you're around so many elephants, you have to be physically strong, because you know you have to be with an elephant, and elephant is like such a strong animal. So मुझे बताया गया था कि आपको ट्रेनिंग करनी जरूरी है बहुत, और आपको बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होना जरूरी है.
फिर उन्होंने एक दिन कुश्ती उन्होंने हाथी को पटक दिया. ट्रेनिंग
नहीं, हाथी ने एक बार मुझे, हाथी मतलब हाथी का छोटा सा बच्चा था, I think just 3 months.
Cute moments.
That हाँ, 3 months young elephant kid, and he was 300 kg, and I was like, wow, it's just like a puppy, let's play with him.
That's true.
And he wanted to play with me too, and he came to me and he just banged his head and I fell down.
Okay.
Thankfully Vidyut Jamwal was right next to that baby. उसने उसको control किया. He pulled the baby and he started.
The 300 kilos boss, like she must be 40 kilos, she must be 25 kilos.
Yeah, it was. He saved my life.
Okay. Wow. Okay, so this is the ideal star cast. Like nobody is going to be asking you about nepotism or favoritism, anything. All of you are outsiders. All of you have made your name on your own. How's it like? How's your perspective as an outsider towards the film industry?
Vidit should answer this question.
So you know what we should do is we should make it different. Why should we speak about what we feel?
Yeah.
What do I feel about Pooja Sawant or Asha? But I should tell you basically, it's very difficult. First of all, there are 10,000 drop-dead gorgeous women in the country or more. To be cast in a movie like Jungli, which is one of its kind, that is an action-adventure directed by a Hollywood director. Imagine the rigmarole these girls must have gone through. Zillions of auditions. There was no such thing as nepotism because there was sheer talent and sheer luck. Pooja Sawant was a discovery because first of all her audition, both of them, the audition was spectacular. They had a specific vision for a girl who had very beautiful eyes, who could express through her eyes. It was Pooja. Then they needed a person who looked confident, who looked beautiful, who could stand statuesque. It was her. They needed, apart from beauty, they needed somebody who had this individuality. Individuality.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
No, that's true. So when, yes, it's great, yeah. It was on sheer talent.
That means a lot. Yeah. Trust
How about
me.
we hear it from you?
मैंने टाइम बर्बाद
About
कर
the
दिया.
same
How about
thing,
we
like,
hear
what's
from
your
you? कह रहा है उसको.
About the film industry.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think you've been a part of the Marathi film industry for the
Yeah,
longest
exactly.
time.
She's been a part of a very
I'm
successful
in-
Marathi industry.
I'm in love with films and film industry totally, and I think I'm born for this. So when I recognize that, yeah, you're born to be an actor, and I'm on a correct path. So I'm very much proud of myself, and I don't see any negative. These guys. So I don't see any negativity in this field. See, yeah, there are many up and downs in every profession, not only film industry, but you have to focus on positive things, I feel.
That word I didn't give that much of an importance when I started off, because I started giving auditions since 2016. My first audition was Fanta का TVC. अगर मैं उसमें भी यही सोच के चाहती वो TVC में भी nepotism होता है, I would rather like to just focus on myself, on my रास्ता, rather than thinking कि पीछे कौन है, left में कौन है. You know, I don't want to dissipate my energy into all of that. But having said that, yes, nepotism exists. Probably not in this, like probably in every other profession too. But I don't think you should let it hamper, you know, your journey.
Yeah. Vidut, if you could tell us something about the character you play in Jungli.
I'm playing a vet, and I play a elephant whisperer. Somebody who's very passionate about animals because he's grown with them.
Okay.
One of the main characters of the movie is an elephant, and he's my childhood friend. And how I come back being a savior not only for my friend, for the whole jungle. So that's what the character is about.
Okay. Also, you've been doing a lot of action-based roles. Like most of your roles have been action-based, and you have not tried your hands at any other genre. Has it been your?
I have not tried my hand in
any other genre. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but
okay. No, say it. I can
Genre
hear
is
you.
fine.
Genre.
Yeah.
Okay. So, has it been a conscious decision, or has Bollywood not provided you with the kind of scripts that will excite you other than action?
See, if you like cast Michael Jordan, the basketball player, in a movie, you will still make him play basketball, right? Like he could be doing a romantic movie, but एक scene में तो basket डालेगा ही डालेगा. So with me, the kind of scripts that come to me are 99.9% action-based, and I love it, and I like it.
Well said.
Because he's best in that.
Yeah,
Let's
I
accept
love
that.
doing it. Yeah, it's like letting my stunt double do a stunt. Why will I make him do it? I want to do it. I want to jump off that cliff. I want to stand on that elephant. I want to do all of it. This is the best part of cinema. We've like slept with elephants. Yeah, we've gone into the water with elephants.
Yeah.
Who else? We should do it.
Okay, these two have told us about their character. You haven't. What's your character?
So yeah, so the character I'm playing is a fearless journalist. She's a storyteller, she's a truth seeker, she's also a ray of sunshine. She's happy, she keeps everyone happy, she's chirpy. At the same time, she's very focused. वो किसी को भी अपने रास्ते में आने नहीं देगी. And she's like very passionate about elephants, and she's working towards a cause, and that's how she ends up in the scenario.
Okay, I'm already rooting for your character because you're playing a journalist. Okay, so how was it working with a Hollywood director in a Hindi film? Like that's almost never happened before, I'm guessing. But
It never happened, I guess.
never happened, right?
Yeah.
We three have got Hollywood into Indian cinema.
Yeah, that's a,
लोग यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, हम लोग लेके आए.
exactly.
लेके आ रहे हैं.
क्या बोलता
So how was it working with Chuck?
Good, yeah.
It's great because see, I've done South Indian movies, right? And there are certain languages which you don't know, but you understand the emotion, you understand the expression of it. So with Chuck, first of all, he understands people. Like we were having a conversation the other day that he understands, yeah. So it was easy.
How was it working?
Having Chuck as my first mentor, this is my first film. So I have zero experience and zero knowledge about craft. So whatever I've learned on set, it's from Chuck Russell. and he has molded me the person I am today. Actually, after the first film, I can, like, you know, be pretty much confident. I know these things. Probably I'll take this to my set in my next film. So having Chuck as my first mentor has been phenomenal.
Okay. And your experience?
Of course, he is an international director, but the unique quality of Chuck sir is, of course, as Vidyut said, that he understands the emotions. Like, emotions are everything. Yeah. Emotions doesn't have any language, and I think the film which we made, Jungli, it has a lot of emotions in it. You can see love, anger, like everything.
It's a myriad of emotions. The film. Why are you laughing?
दोनों ने एक साथ बोला everything.
So go watch a movie.
Okay, of course.
You must watch a movie.
You must watch the film.
ये दोनों लड़कियां threaten करे. You must watch it.
You must watch. Okay, what are your future projects that we can look forward to after Jungli?
I've got Power releasing with Mahesh Manjrekar in July,
Okay.
and then I've got Commando 3.
Yeah, that's okay. And have you signed any projects after Jungli?
I'm just waiting for my first baby to come out.
Okay.
एक
Shall
साथ
wait
पांच
for
बच्चे
the
मत कर देना
release.
तू.
नहीं. I'll just wait for this one to release and I just want to do good work. अच्छा काम करना है और बहुत ज़्यादा काम करना है बस.
And you, apart from Marathi movies?
मुझे सवाल पूछना है, बुरा काम क्या होता है?
अच्छा काम करना है.
I want to understand.
बुरे काम का डेफिनेशन नहीं पता है, अच्छे काम का पता है. मैं बोल सकती हूँ बाद में.
See, you and I haven't signed any film because we waited for so long for this film.
True.
And finally it's here. So I really don't want to think about any other project in future right now. For us, it's just Jungli.
Okay.
Yeah, honestly, you know, like these girls are saying, right? Jungli was being in the moment, whether you were on the set, because you can't plan working with animals.
Yeah.
Similarly, a movie like this comes once in your lifetime.
Yeah.
That's
Honestly.
true.
So I'm happy that these guys have taken it easy. They've been in the moment.
Okay. So your comment reminded me that the movie has taken a lot of time to shoot. What was the process like? Why was the process so delayed? Maybe I think it was announced in 2016 ka May, and it is only releasing now.
No, not
2017 May.
So 2017 May, the whole inception of the movie had started. They had decided on who the director would be. Then it took a while to write the movie, and then we shot the movie. बच्चा पैदा करने में 9 महीने से भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगते हैं.